Hello, so in this video, what I'm going to tell you is that how you can install the kubectl in your Ubuntu system. Okay, so before just installing this kubectl, you need to understand first what it is. Okay, right? So it is basically a command line tool which we use to connect to your any cluster, right? So what you have to do, you can just search on Google, install kubectl. Okay, then you will come upon this link and you will find out this the very first link that will download the binary of kubectl. If I do ls here, so you will see kubectl is already here, right? Then you have to scroll down then and you will see the third command, that is the install kubectl. So you can simply install it, and if I just type kubectl hyphen hyphen help, so you can see all the information. Okay, so now next what you have to do is that suppose you have a EKS cluster running in your some region. So for that, the command which we use is this one. So you can just use EKS update-kubeconfig hyphen hyphen region, and where you have to provide your region name and then name of your cluster. Okay, so but currently I don't have any EKS cluster to showcase this thing, so I will just leave this part as it is, but I will let you know one quick very important thing is that about the kubeconfig file. Okay, so if you just search here kubeconfig, so you will see like in order for kubectl to find and access a Kubernetes cluster, it basically needs a kubeconfig file. Okay, and that file basically located at this particular path. So whenever if you run any mini cube cluster or any other cluster, so then you will see this particular file. Okay, and there all the information will be stored about your cluster. So even if you type cluster info, so that you will get the cluster details. So if I type now, so I don't have any cluster like connected. Okay, so that's why it will show like localhost was refused and all those things. Okay, so in this way you can just simply install the kubectl command and you can use it. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys.